Hello everyone! Welcome to our fun English learning video. Today, we are going to learn 10 beautiful flower names in English. We will learn flower names, correct pronunciation, easy spelling, fun sentences, and a small quiz too. So get ready, let's start learning flowers together. Our first flower is rose. Repeat after me, rose. One more time, rose. Spelling, R-O-S-E, rose. A rose is one of the most popular flowers in the world. Roses can be red, yellow, white, pink. Example sentence, the red rose is beautiful. Can you say it? The red rose is beautiful. Amazing job! Next flower, lotus. Say it with me, lotus. Great! Spelling, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. The lotus grows in water. It is a very calm and beautiful flower. Example sentence, the lotus is in the pond. Repeat after me. The lotus is in the pond. Wonderful. Now let's learn sunflower. Repeat, sunflower. Awesome. Spelling, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Sunflowers are big and yellow. They turn toward the sun. Example sentence, the sunflower is very tall. Say it together. The sunflower is very tall. Excellent. Our next flower is lily. Repeat after me, lily. Great job. Spelling, L-I-L-Y, lily. Lilies smell very nice. They are soft and elegant flowers. Example sentence, the lily smells sweet. Say it with me. The lily smells sweet. Fantastic. Flower number 5 is jasmine. Repeat, jasmine. Wonderful. Spelling, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Jasmine flowers are small and white. They have a lovely fragrance. Example sentence, jasmine flowers smell amazing. Can you repeat it? Jasmine flowers smell amazing. Perfect. Next flower, marigold. Say it slowly, marigold. Very good. Spelling, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Marigold. Marigolds are bright orange and yellow flowers. People use them in festivals and decorations. Example sentence, the marigold is bright orange. Repeat after me. The marigold is bright orange. Awesome. Now let's learn tulip. Repeat, tulip. Excellent. Spelling, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Tulips come in many pairs. They bloom beautifully in gardens. Example sentence, the tulips look colorful. Say it together. The tulips look colorful. Amazing. Flower number 8 is daisy. Repeat after me. Daisy. Great. Spelling, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Daisies are small and cheerful flowers. They usually have white petals and a yellow center. Example sentence, the daisy is pretty. Say it with me. The daisy is pretty. Wonderful. Next flower, orchid. Repeat, orchid. Awesome. Spelling, O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Orchids are very special and elegant flowers. They can grow indoors too. The orchid is beautiful. Repeat after me. The orchid is beautiful. Fantastic. Our last flower is hibiscus. Say it slowly. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Great job. Spelling, H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are large and colorful. They bloom in warm weather. Example sentence, the hibiscus is red. Repeat together. The hibiscus is red. Excellent. Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. Which flower turns toward the sun? Pause 3 seconds. Answer, sunflower. Great job. Question 2. Which flower grows in water? Pause 3 seconds. Correct answer. Lotus. Awesome. Question 3. Which flower is famous for its fragrance? Pause 3 seconds. Answer. Jasmine. Excellent work. Today we learned 10 flower names in English. Let's say them one more time. Rose, lotus, sunflower, lily, jasmine, marigold, tulip, daisy, orchid, hibiscus. Amazing learning today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning English every day. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye-bye, everyone.